Did you know that the keto diet can help you lose weight and feel more energetic? Eating the right foods on a keto diet is key to your success. Today, we're going to share the 15 must-have foods for your keto diet plan. Before we start, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our healthy eating tips and tricks. Up first on our list are avocados. Avocados are full of healthy fats and very low in carbs. They help keep you full and provide important nutrients like potassium. Eating avocados can also help improve heart health. Add them to salads, smoothies, or eat them plain. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein and healthy fats. They are very low in carbs and can be cooked in many different ways. Eating eggs can help keep you full and provide energy. Enjoy them boiled, scrambled, or in an omelet. And then we have cheese. Cheese is high in fat and protein, making it perfect for a keto diet. It's also low in carbs and very tasty. Eating cheese can help keep your bones strong because it's rich in calcium. Add it to salads, snacks, or meals. Another must-have in keto diet planning are lean meats. Meat like beef, pork, and chicken is a great source of protein and fat. It contains no carbs, making it ideal for keto. Eating meat can help build and repair your muscles. Enjoy it grilled, baked, or sautéed. Along with lean meats, we can't forget fish. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are good for your heart and brain. Fish is also low in carbs and high in protein. Aim to eat fish at least twice a week. Butter. Butter is pure fat with no carbs. It adds flavor to your meals and helps keep you full. Eating butter can help increase your fat intake on a keto diet. Use it for cooking or spread it on low-carb bread. Also, consider adding olive oil to your keto diet. Olive oil is a healthy fat that's perfect for the keto diet. It's great for cooking or as a salad dressing. Eating olive oil can help protect your heart and reduce inflammation. Drizzle it over your favorite dishes. Nuts. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and macadamia nuts are high in healthy fats and low in carbs. They make a great snack and can help keep you full. Seeds. Seeds like chia, flax, and pumpkin seeds are rich in fiber and healthy fats. They help improve digestion and keep you full. Eating seeds can also provide important minerals like zinc. Sprinkle them on salads, yogurt, or smoothies. Dark leafy greens. Dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are low in carbs and high in vitamins and minerals. They help keep your bones strong and your skin healthy. Eating leafy greens can also improve digestion. Add them to salads, smoothies, or sauté them as a side dish. Coconut. Coconut oil is a great source of healthy fats and has no carbs. It's perfect for cooking or adding to your coffee. Eating coconut oil can help boost your energy and improve brain function. Use it in cooking or baking. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is high in protein and lower in carbs than regular yogurt. It makes a great snack or breakfast option. Eating Greek yogurt can help improve digestion and keep you full. Choose plain, full-fat Greek yogurt and add your own berries or nuts. And since we're on the subject of yogurt, we don't want to leave out adding berries to your keto diet. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are lower in carbs than other fruits. They are also full of antioxidants and vitamins. Eating berries can help satisfy your sweet tooth without kicking you out of ketosis. Enjoy them in moderation as a snack or dessert. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a versatile, low-carb vegetable that can replace higher-carb foods. You can use it to make cauliflower rice, mash, or even pizza crust. Eating cauliflower can help keep you full and provide important nutrients like vitamin C. Add it to your meals in place of grains or potatoes. Heavy cream. Heavy cream is high in fat and very low in carbs. It's perfect for adding richness to your coffee or recipes. Eating heavy cream can help increase your fat intake on a keto diet. Use it in sauces, soups, or desserts. Remember, the keto diet is all about eating the right balance of fats, proteins, and carbs. Try to include these 15 must-have foods in your diet for better results and a healthier, happier you. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more tips on living a healthy life. Thanks for watching.